Latifah.
I'll open it.
So, I got this package today, which is massive. Can you see me in the camera, Lila?
Yep.
You can't? Alright. So, Latifah. Friend mail. It's a cute card. Oh, and I look like garbage. So, bestie, I know we both are a little crazy. Okay, a lot crazy. But who cares? I hope you enjoy everything. Thank you for always being here for me. Bella. Can't wait till we finally meet in person. Love you, Bella. And I love you too. Now, Miss Beautiful Alicia sent me this. And I'm going to tie my hair. Actually, I sent her something too. She's going to get hers tomorrow, but I got mine today. And today is Monday. So, first things first is, ooh, actually, Peeps. Candy cane Peeps. Yay, Peeps. What? Oh. And there's stuff here that I don't have here in Canada. And I sent her stuff that she doesn't have that I sent her. So, Bit O Honey. I know we don't have this here. It says real honey almond blend. Alright. Oh, this I knew. Tell me this is not cool. Isn't that cool, Lila?
It is.
It is. It's actually lip gloss.
You're running out of time.
Get out! What do you mean I'm running out of time?
You have a 1 with the line on top and a 4 and a 9 with the 5 and a 1.
Okay, I don't know what that means, but that's okay. Rippin' Reds.
Oh, it stopped recording.
I have to do this again. No, it's recording. We don't have this here. But we do, but it's just different actually. Different. Okay, come, you can help me pull out stuff. She sent me these. I haven't seen these yet here, but they're cinnamon flavor.
And we also have this.
Oh yes, because I asked her for some. I love this stuff in my water. And I just ran out. Okay, next. This is massive. Look, Lila.
Oh.
Holy moly. Holy moly.
Go faster, okay? Go faster.
Ooh, M&M birthday cake. I like these.
See, the M&M birthday cakes are yummy.
Birthday cakes are yummy. Okay, Bigs. Oh, yeah, sunflower seeds. That's right. You told me you were sending me these. I totally forgot. I forgot about those. Oh, ooh, this is so cute. And this is a Jawbreaker. Oh my goodness, that's huge. Zia's not going to eat that though. Actually, I'm just going to display it. I'm not going to.
Now,
Okay, what do you
after you said that, say, now that I have the eyeball, I can use
Juicy
it.
Drop Taffy.
No, see.
Oh, this
no.
has that liquid stuff.
See, now that I have the eyeball, I
She's
can
my
use
director.
stuff with, now that I have the eyeball, I can use stuff with it.
What the heck? This is cute.
The little soda bottles.
Soda cans. I'll give you one when you feel better. Oh, another one. Oh, Airheads Extreme Bites. We have Airheads, but not like this. Not Extreme Bites. Uno. Ooh, Sour Punch. These we can try. What is a punchy candy? Sweet or sour? Oh. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, this is the coffee or the hot chocolate.
Would you tuck in a little more?
See?
Tuck
I am
in.
talking more.
No, I said tuck in, like move up a little more.
Why?
So the camera can see you better, I guess.
Chewy.
No. Come,
Okay.
move up.
My director's saying to come closer. All right. More, ranch flavor of sunflower seeds.
Don't tell them, okay?
I have to tell them. I'm telling them.
Don't tell them that I'm your director.
Oh, good. Don't tell them you're my director.
And I'm...
Bacon flavor. Sizzling bacon. I like how you guys pack them. Not like here where it's all air and... Oh, this is for mommy. Look, because my sister's having twins. It's a stamp, so you can like stamp. Junior mints.
Tell them what your names are.
What my name is?
No. What your cup... Like... No, like... Tell them what...
There's 2 packs, so I'll share with my sister. Hold on. Oh, yeah. See, Velveeta. Oh, hold on. You're taking... No, just squeeze it.
I'm not.
This is called Quick Blast Sour Candy Spray. Ooh, I can already imagine. We don't have this here, no. Definitely gonna try. Caramel? Caramel.
Yes.
Caramel. These, we have here.
Bubble heads.
Sour. Oh, mommy likes these, right? She likes these ones. Sweet tarts. Lisa, you like sweet tarts? Okay, so that's for mommy.
5 seconds.
I don't have 5 seconds. Hubba bubba.
5 seconds.
I don't have 5 seconds. I have more than 5 seconds. Symphony.
Talk a little more faster. Talk a little more faster and louder.
Snickers.
Talk faster and louder.
I am talking faster and louder, Lila. Oh yeah, this is for my coffee. She told me about this. It's to add flavor. And this I'm excited to try.
Make sure they didn't get my voice in.
Oh my gosh. I actually need something like this. Look, it's a wallet thing. I'm assuming. Yeah, I can put my cards in it. My other one broke. Oh, I love it, Alicia. Oh, that's actually perfect. Okay, now, ready? I see stuff wrapped up. Oh my God, you sent me a twisted peppermint. Oh. She sent me, this is my favorite.
Hear what the bubbles on the paper
What's the
sound
bubble
like.
on the paper for? Oh yeah, I know, remember this. I like masks, face masks. Huh? Oh, mommy likes this one too. So
that's what it sounds like. Guys, this is what it sounds like.
Oh, and I got...
This
one's tropical. It's for to add in your water. Another pineapple and coconut lime, peach, mango.
Guys, all these people who want to watch
I know.
it,
This is a whatchamacallit.
this sounds like that.
Literally whatchamacallit.
Like these these bubbles on the paper sound like this.
Coloring book, 80 sheets. Look, Lila. Don't put your camera. Look, we can color. I love doing these. Love it.
Sound like this.
Tea. Candy cane lane. I know I'm going a little fast, but there's another one. Oh my gosh.
Can you go a little faster?
What? Oh yeah, I remember you told me about this.
Can you talk a little faster?
It's eyeshadow. See?
Would you talk a little faster?
Very pigmented too. Talk a little faster. Huh? Girl, what did you do? Can you see me? Tell me, make sure, keep an eye on it. Okay, I don't know what I missed. Oh no, okay. I got this and this. I don't even know. There's a lot of stuff in here.
But I
A lot of stuff.
I have to keep an eye on you.
Yeah, but keep an eye on the camera in case it does that again. Oh, the juicy. Ooh. Oh, thank you. What? They went black again?
3, 3, 4,
Okay,
5,
3, 3, 4,
6,
5, 6. Okay.
7, 3,
All right.
4, 1, 4, 2,
yes,
4,
yes,
3,
yes, I know what this is.
4, 4.
Okay, so I ordered something
The
from
55.
Uni,
And
and it's
1
one for me,
to
one
2
for my
minutes.
sister.
1 to 2 miles away.
1 to 2 miles away. My foot just fell asleep like hardcore.
I can't watch it. Sorry.
Oh, is this for my popcorn?
I can't watch it.
Hickory, it's for my popcorn.
I
You
can't
put on your
keep an eye on
popcorn.
it. Can't keep an
It's
eye
like
on
a-
it.
Lila, did my screen go off?
It didn't. No, it didn't.
Am I still there? Is it still recording? Let's see. Is it still recording? It's recording. Hello? Hello? Okay. Alright. Okay. She got me the Katy Perry lipstick. I knew it. I think you told me. I don't know.
We talked about so much stuff. What did you do? What? I'm not even recording. There's so much stuff. Okay, well, it's purple. Of course. Okay. I got like a whole load of stuff she sent me. Ooh, look at this color. Ooh, nothing too much.
Starbucks. Ooh. Okay, hold on. What did you do here, girl? What did you do? Okay, this is the last bit. Alright. And my foot fell asleep from the way I'm sitting. Which isn't cool. Oh, yes, I know this one.
Yeah,
Yes, because she ended up getting 2 and she gave me one. Oofra? It's that lipstick. Okay, oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. I know what this is. Oh, it's the palette. Too fast, sexy. Oh, look at that. Look at these are all the colors. I sent her one of mine. She sent me one of hers, so she sent me this one. Okay. This is your Christmas gift. Okay, there's one here. It's a Christmas gift. Oh, I knew about this. Ooh, look at all those colors. Aren't they pretty? I need like another makeup thing. This is your Christmas gift. Merry Christmas. And I have a feeling I know what it is because I think you told me. Yeah. Yeah, I got brushes. I got brushes. Ooh. Thank you so much for the gifts. Thank you. Thank
Wait.
you. Am I still recording?
Yes, he's still recording.
Are you still there? You're still there. We're still here. So this is like everything. Like everything. Like everything. Like, oh my gosh. Everything there. My niece's socks. Everything. Alright. That is it. I am so excited. Thank you. I will be sharing some with Lisa. But thank you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will talk to you later. Bye. Look at all this stuff. Oh my God.